Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing with the Samsung Q990b. I will show you what's in the box and I will give you my first impression. Keep in mind that here I have the JBL BAR 1000 with two rear detachable speakers. So let's start with what's in the box. We have a very big main unit. 2 years ago I made a comparison video between the JBL BAR 9.1 and the Q958. This, in my opinion, is bigger and should be much better. This is very heavy. It's very big compared with the JBL main unit. Okay, you know that it doesn't matter how big it is, it matters how good it is. But then in 2020 my conclusion between the JBL BAR 9.1 and the Q958 was that the Samsung Q958 was way better in sound clarity and the JBL was way better at bass power. So this is the subwoofer. This is the box from the Samsung Q990b, and this tiny box is from the JBL BAR 1000. So my first impression is that the main unit is very big and is very heavy compared with the JBL BAR 1000. Now this is the two rear speakers, and obviously this is like music for children and this is for the big boys, but slight heavy, not very much heavy but slight heavy. I see here that we have the power cord, on the back the pairing button, the Atmos and rear. Okay, let's see. Here we have the cables, one for the right, one for the left. Remember, this is an 8-inch woofer, and the JBL BAR 1000, it has a 10-inch woofer. This is very nice. It looks like you have a vinyl head. So my first impressions are like this. The main unit of the soundbar is very big compared with the JBL BAR 1000. That is very good. It's very big and very heavy. It is very hard to move around from place to place. The rear speakers are very big. I hope these speakers would give me the real Atmos feeling, because I am not a fan with Samsung Atmos speakers, because we don't have the sound that comes from above, you know, from the ceiling. The traditional system is better. And here we have the big wireless subwoofer. What I can say, it promises a lot, but let me make some tests, and I will make a couple of videos about it, and I will tell you if the Q990b it's better than the JBL BAR 1000. So let's see what's in the tiny box. I think we will find the HDMI cable. This is the power cord for the wireless subwoofer, for the main unit, some wall brackets for the main unit of the soundbar, and here we have the remote control. I want to see it because I want to compare it with the JBL BAR 1000. Okay, as you can see, they are almost similar in functions. This is way modern than this one, but both soundbars have CAC functionality. That means you will not use the remote control from the soundbars, and you will use the remote control from the TV that will control the soundbar functions. So what do you think? Do you think that JBL BAR 1000 is better than the Samsung monster, the Q990b, or do you think that the clarity from the Q990b will be way better than the JBL BAR 1000? I will make some tests and I will tell you exactly what is my opinion. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!